A staff of Anambra Broadcasting Service, Mr. Patrick Nnatuanya, has given out his first daughter, Mary, marriage to Mr. Francis Iwegbunam, an indigene of Iluaro village in Igbariam, Anambra East local government area of the state. The solemnization of holy matrimony took place at St. Anthony of Padua Catholic Church, Igbariam, and was followed by the rites of traditional marriage immediately after the wedding mass. Chibuzo completes the story.
Both events were attended by different dignitaries, government officials, staff and management of the ABS, as well as friends and well-wishers of the families. Mr. Nnatuanya and his wife, while wishing the couple a blessed and fruitful marriage, enjoined them to raise a happy and blissful family that will sustain their positive values.
Fire Mungoke and Waya Korofa. No fire Muslim was not Famusigo. Night generation, one I put it for Taki, I wish. I don't give the
in their appreciation message, the newlywed Mr. and Mrs. Iwegbunam revealed that their journey of love is anchored on God's foundation and respect for one another, and assured their parents and church that the marriage would be a journey of thanksgiving and one to be emulated by others.
Good
health, more blessings, children.
From Igbariam, Chibuzo Bidike, ABS News.